Today, the web is the clear winner. World more than a huge amount of information is traded on different servers, and the trading of information only depends on the information presented. However, if the information source isn't reliable or the information isn't stored correctly, the whole world could end in disaster. Also, the way people look at sports and gaming has changed since blockchain came along. Many people now understand the power of calculations in cryptography and how this can be used to bring the gaming world into harmony with the standards of decentralized finance in blockchain. Let's look at some of the interesting things about Chiliz. Specialized test for Chiliz. Chiliz was sent out in August 2019 and has been very busy since then. In January 2020, it had its biggest price jump to $0, but this trend didn't last long and it fell to $0 as a result of the pandemic effect. Cost of the Chiliz. The spike in 2020 was caused by a promise by the Chiliz project to put $60 million into the tokenization of media brands and retail in November 2020. The Chiliz price was only 1 cent until January 2021, when it showed a small recovery. However, the launch of Chiliz at the beginning of 2021 was a pleasant surprise for investors, as the price jumped to 5 cents by February 2021. Even though the ticket had a small change after that, it stayed at 40 cents for a while. The CHC price showed a huge change and reached 75 cents in April, but it went back down to 21 cents after that. Then the price of Chiliz went up until the beginning of August 2021. In September, the CHC price again made a lot of noise, but then it fell sharply to 24 cents and traded sideways until the end of October. After that, it showed a strong recovery, and in November it reached a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHC token price exchanged for between 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative stride. Last December, Chiliz showed a slow recovery, and it now trades for about 11 cents. We ask that you do your own research and come up with your own projections for the highest cost per guest and the least cost based on your assumptions for the CHC cost expectation for the years 2023 to 2030. CHC will be the choice and pick of the game market. Financial backers like it because it has been around for a long time. They also like it because it has a steady quality to it. The pandemic has been a real standard for both fiat and digital currencies, overcoming all hurdles. The Chiliz digital currency is expected to set a standard for its release in the future, attracting a large number of investors from the gaming industry and beating all expectations. This is based on the most recent information about digital coins at the time this technical analysis was written. The price of a CHC token was 11 cents, and 33 million CHC were traded. The market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,1114, and there were 67,18,673,450 CHC in circulation. CHC coin price prediction shows that Chiliz could bring in a lot of money by moving up in the rankings of digital coins in the next couple of years. What's more, even though Chiliz's new release hasn't made a big splash on the market, it's clear that the price of Chiliz is going up and the market is getting full. Sprout based on how much we think Chiliz will cost. Chiliz value estimate. Late in 2023, Chiliz went over 17 cents. In February is an interesting date. According to our CHC Caustics forecast for 2023, Chiliz is expected to go over 26 cents before the end of the year. Chiliz is expected to have a base price of 11 cents, and the CHC price is expected to have an average price of 18 cents. Expectations for the value of Chiliz 2024 CHC says that the highest cost and least cost will be 34 cents and 24 cents, respectively. Together the most likely based on our Chiliz crypto cost estimate, the price of Chili will stay around 29 cents. Chiliz value estimate for 2025 is based on the CHC price forecast for 2025. In a long-term scenario, The price of Chiliz is expected to catch up with other digital currencies and reach a minimum of 29 cents and a maximum of 42 cents within a few days of its entry into 2025. CHC estimate shows a high level of confidence in the CHC price, mainly because of its